Welcome back again, and we'll continue with the same understanding discipline and subjects. Which of the following statement is true? Education is an art. Education is a science. Yes, this is neither art nor yet. This is quite wrong. Art to some degree and science to some extent. Okay, this is true. Educational process has three components: education, teacher and books. गलती मत कर देना बेटा, बुक्स के बगैर एजुकेशन पॉसिबल है तो बेसिक कंपोनेंट नहीं है. That is a supporting component. Teacher, student or education, yes, this is correct. Guidelines उसकी एक part हो सकता है, none of the above, तो B is the answer. Who gave the slogan back to nature? Naturalism वाले basically Rousseau is the propounder. And which branch of philosophy is related to knowledge? Its structure, method and validity. Argument, aesthetics, element, metaphysics. No, none of this. This is epistemology. Epistemology is the branch of philosophy which deals with the study of knowledge, its structure and methods. Why the modern aspect of discipline is needed? Social development? No, this is not only one aspect. Political development, economic development, but discipline is specially needed for academic development. So none of this. What is the purpose of economic development? General education, full employment. Yes, skilled होते हैं हम, उससे हम professional बनते हैं. Getting employment is one of the purpose. Development of people, overall development. So all of this is the answer. When was the National Committee on Women's Education established? So it was 1958-59. Which of the philosophy is not a problem of adult education? Adult education में stereotype thinking होती है, बच्चे कहते हैं नहीं ऐसे ही होगा. Stereotype is imitating, ऐसे होना चाहिए, दूसरे जैसे कर रहे हैं वैसे करना. Stereo जैसे हम बार बार चलाते हैं तो सेम सुनाता है. Stereotype thinking. Lack of good teacher. Yes, it is problem with the adult education. बहुत अच्छे teachers नहीं. Which is not a problem. Lack of schools, yes, it is also a problem. Co-education school हैं, अलग से नहीं मिलते हैं. There are a lot of issues. Water availability has nothing to do. This is not. Teachers' primary duty is raising the intellectual standard of students. है बच्चों का intellectual standard improve करना. This is primary duty तो नहीं कह पाएंगे. Physical development of ये भी duty है, but supporting the all around development, that is the development of body, mind and soul. That is the duty of the teacher. Who started the project method? Project method, basically William Patrick is the person who started it for the first time. A good textbook is providing structure and curriculum for a program. Okay, providing appropriate learning material. But a good book is providing effective language. That is the most needed. Who introduced the word culture? Taylor is the person who introduced it. The curriculum for school in India serves as a textbook and a guideline for teacher practices. Who said it? जो curriculum है basically a textbook है. Means it's a collection of topics and subtopics and a guideline for activities and for objectives to be achieved. Who said this all? This is National Curriculum Framework NCF 2005. रिलीजियस एजुकेशन इज स्ट्रांगली एडवोकेटेड इन. आइडियलिज्म में हम मोरालिटी और एथिक्स की बात करते हैं, तो इन्वेस्टिगेटिव आइडियलिज्म एक पार्ट है आइडियलिज्म का जिसमें हम रिलीजियस एजुकेशन की बात करते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू द इंटेलेक्चुअल डेवलपमेंट? सो स्पिरिचुअल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ कॉग्निटिव, यस, ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट, इंटेलिजेंस डेवलपमेंट, माइंड ट्रेनिंग, थिंकिंग स्किल्स. बट स्पिरिचुअल डेवलपमेंट इज स्लाइटली डिफरेंट थिंग्स. अभी हम उस पर नहीं पहुँचे हैं. स्पिरिचुअल डेवलपमेंट के लिए अभी हमारे पास बहुत से ज़्यादा करिकुलम नहीं है कि उसको कैसे किया जाए. दैट इज़ सेपरेट डिसिप्लिन जिसमें बहुत अभी रिसर्च होनी है. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ CAT, दिस इज कंप्यूटराइज्ड गाइडलाइन बिल्ड कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशंस. ओके, दिस इज कंप्यूटर एडेड इंस्ट्रक्शंस. देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग. द इफेक्टिवनेस ऑफ द कोर्स इज डिटरमाइंड बाय objectives, design, ways and evaluation. Evaluation is ultimately by which we measure the effectiveness of the course or effectiveness of the curriculum even. Evaluation is the last part to check it, whether whatever we are doing, whatever we are teaching, all the subjects, subtopics, topics, activities, whatever we are organizing, is it proper, is it effective? So that is evaluation. The vision of professional practice of 21st century includes first material knowledge, okay, the classroom management, okay, evaluation, yes, all of this. So this is all, and I think this was the last topic for this, I will say this paper, you can say.